Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for 8th grade. Today, we are going to study page 75. It's going to be about listening class, okay? It's very important you understand this. This class is listening. Of course, you are gonna read and you're gonna have some questions that you are going to answer in your house. But the topic today is a listening class, and then you are going to complete some exercises on page 75. Good. Well, remember this. This is one of the best suggestions that I have for you in order to improve your English skill. Yesterday, we were talking about how to improve the English language in the school. And you know something? Uh, I believe that one of the biggest problems is that I don't say all, some students, they don't want to learn English. That's a big problem. When you don't want to learn English, you got problem for learning, problem for the school, problem for your family, and so on. Suggestion, you need to understand the importance of learning a new language, especially English. And also because it's one of the best tools for your life. It's one of the best skills for you in your future life. I mean, if you want to study, if you want to work, if you want to find some investigation, some information, you must need to learn English. Okay? Very good. So listening is it's very important too. I mean, my suggestion is that the students in general, the students in the school, they have to listen more English. They need to listen in the school and they need to listen outside the school. That's why I believe that this program is excellent for you. I mean, the listening skill, it's very special, and especially if you want to understand how to speak. Well, let's go now to the class. Let's go this introduction. Let's go to the class. Okay. Let me see. Now, we're going to study. Yes. So what we're going to do in this moment is to study this page of 75. Have you noticed this? Yes. Well, so look at here. There are three names. It was from this man is gonna be my Michael, and this she is gonna be Sophie. Okay, so activity one is look at the picture and write the name of the devices. Devices is mean cell phone, computer, headphones, and what else? Not electronic, nothing else. Okay. So let's write. This man is, or this boy is Michael. Electronic devices, dispositivos electrónicos. He has, I think he has a watch. He has a cell phone or mobile phone. He has headphones. So you write in this part, watch, cell phone, headphones, laptop, or computer. Okay, both is possible. And what about she, or what about this picture, the girl, Sophia? Sophia has, well, she has a camera. She has alarm clock, and this alarm clock, a special clock, and she has also this a kind of tablet, and I think it looks like a phone, but it looks also like a tablet too. And I'm not sure what is this. Perhaps it's a cell phone. So she has a camera, um, alarm clock, tablet. I think so. This is a mobile phone, or maybe it is some games that you play, like some kind of devices that you use for playing. Okay. Now, for you, you need to tell me what kind of electronic devices do you have in your house? For example, you have a TV, you have computer, you have cell phone. What else? Some of you have Xbox, perhaps some of you have, well, I'm not sure. I don't know exactly. But you need to write all your devices in this part, okay? You got it? You understand? Oh, here. Yeah, you understand what we are talking about? All right. So don't forget you need to write here, okay? You need to write all your devices, and here you need to write her devices. I mean, camera, cell phone, tablet, and alarm clock, and so on. Now, let's go. Now, you're gonna listen to me. Yeah, you're gonna listen to me, and then you're going to write the conversation. So you can write on your book, or if you want to, you can write on your notebook. Okay? Basically, this conversation is gonna be in present continuous, and it's gonna be about conditional future. I mean, something that you're gonna do immediately. Okay. So number one, let's do it. Let's go. One. Uh, what are you doing tomorrow afternoon? Yes, what are you doing? So here you are gonna write, what are you doing tomorrow? So what are you doing tomorrow? All right. So what are you doing tomorrow? So what are you doing tomorrow? Two. Let's go. Number two. Uh, we are practicing, remember, present continuous or future intentional future. So I'm there are two options in this case. I'm going to see the dentist. I mean, you very soon you're going to see the dentist, or present continuous. I'm seeing the dentist. Both are, both are correct. One is future conditional. I'm going to see the dentist. Now, let's go. Let's go to, wow, wow, what's going on? What's going on? Oh my God. So I don't need this. Okay. Take it. Right. All right. Oh my God. I don't need this. Okay. And all right. Let me see if it's possible. This here. Okay, I got it. And let's go number two. Number three. So do. So what? So number three is what. It's possible to say, what are you going to, are you do, are you doing, well, there is two. Are you doing anything on Thursday? Are you doing, use doing, present continuous. Are you doing anything on Tuesday, on Thursday? Yes, I am going to the movies. Why? I am planning. This is present continuous. I am planning. I'm planning a party. I want to. I want you to come. Okay, nice. Well, I am not. You see, I am not doing anything on Friday. All right, I'm not doing anything on Friday. All right, so now let's go. Let's go to 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 exercise 3. So basically, what we are gonna do here is to write the future tense. I mean, you need to write will, want. Remember, want is a negative. We will not. Might, podría, might not. No podría. All right. So let's write number 1. So you are okay. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds because we don't have time to do that. Okay. One, two, three. Yes. All right. So number 3, it's necessary to write. Notice this. Writing according to the letters, the future using one of them. So in this case, so you write will. So I will be rich and famous when I turn 30. Okay, so you write in this will you're gonna write here. All right, so and that's all what you need to do. And second, people live 200 years old in the year 2050. So it's an option. So it could be might. People might live 200 years because it's a possibility. All right. 3. Um, robots replace doctors in the year in 10 years, in 100 years. Well, is another possibility. So could be. I mean, podría. So robots might not well, we have no. Well, we don't have here the option like possibility. So robots could be will replace robots. Robots replace doctors in 100 years. Yeah, this is will be, or maybe might is possible too. Why not? All right. So now just read this part. And you complete this. Read the traditional Discord. So tell me your pollen and I'll invent a new device. The job on new technologies to solve problems and make our lives easier. Electronic cars solve problems of pollution. Before smartphones, people needed a lot of different devices. Smartphones are easy to carry and combine a lot of tools in one. So if you want to invent a new electronic device, it is important to start by thinking what is the problem, how is my device going to solve problems, and how it will be